Good day, everyone. I'm Danica Balang, a BSCS student. Now I will present my project, a CLI Tax Manager application. This project is a command line interface or CLI-based Python application designed to help users manage their daily tasks. The system allows users to add tasks, view tasks, mark tasks as complete, and delete tasks. This project demonstrates important intermediate Python concepts such as class and object, file handling, list, loops, condition, and exception handling. First, we import the JSON and OS modules. The JSON module is used to save and load text from a JSON file. The OS module is used to check if the file already exists. And next, class tags. This class represents a single task inside the constructor method or we initialize the task title and status. The default status is set to finding. The act method converts the task object into dictionary format so it can be saved into the JSON file. And our next is class task manager. This class manages all the tasks in the program. Inside the constructor, we create an empty list called tasks. We also define the file name task.json. Then we can call the load task method to load previously saved tasks. And next is add task. Method allows the user to enter a new task title. If the input is empty, the program displays an error message. Otherwise, the task is added to the list and saved into the file. And next is the view task. The view task method displays all tasks. If there are no tasks available, the program displays a message saying no tasks available. Otherwise, the tasks are displayed with their number and status. Next is the complete task method. Allows the user to mark a task as complete. The user enters the task number. If the number is valid, the status changes to complete. Exception handling is used to avoid invalid input errors. And next, delete task. The delete task method removes a task from the list. The user enters the task number to delete. The selected task is removed using the pop method. After deleting, the tasks are saved again into JSON file. And our next is save tasks to file. The save task method save all tasks into the JSON file. It converts each task object into dictionary format using the to the act method. The data is saved permanently using JSON dump. And our next, the load tags from file. The load tags method check if the tags.json file exists. If the file exists, it opens the file and loads all saved tags. Each task is converted back into the task object and add to the task list. And the main, our next is the main. The menu method is the main interface of the application. It continuously displays the menu option using a while loop. The user select an operation such as add, view, complete, delete, or exist. Conditional statements are used to execute the correct function. Finally, the if underscore name underscore equals underscore main underscore statement runs the program. It creates a task manager object and start the menu. Now I will demonstrate the program. First, I will add the task. First, next I will view the task. Then I will mark task complete. I will delete task. And finally, I will exit the application. This project demonstrates the use of intermediate Python programming concept in creating a real-world CLI application. And now I will run it. The output is CLI Task Manager. Number 1, add task. 2, view task, complete task, delete task, exit. The system helps users organize their tasks efficiently while applying object-oriented programming, file handling, loops, condition, and exception handling. Thank you for listening.